way, Gungo. I'm having a fantastic dream about life at the Intergalactic College.
I hate computer school. Lucky mom and dad. When they were at school, they had teachers. Now it's that boring screen every day. Thank you, GameGo.
Captain, something terrible has happened in Sector 15. Can you go there at once?
I'll be there in about 5 minutes. What has happened?
A shuttle has crashed into us.
Are the astronauts hurt or any of our people?
We don't know, Captain.
I must go in there.
Don't do that, Captain.
Are you hurt, Captain? Call a doctor.
What's wrong with your arm? Are you all right, Debbie?
Of course it's nothing, Sanjay. Let's have dinner.
Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride my bike. I want to ride my bicycle. I want to ride it where I like. You say black, I say white. You say bar, I say bite.